Can you go ahead and tell us your name, please?
My name is Alyssa Marvin.
All right. And Alyssa, how do you spell your first name?
Alyssa.
And your last name?
Marvin.
All right. And Alyssa, where do you live currently, generally?
In New Jersey.
Okay. And your presence here, did you get on a plane yesterday, fly down here for this trial?
Yes, I did.
I want to take you back a couple years, July 2022. Where were you living at that time?
In Sterling Glen Apartments.
All right. And here in Georgia?
Yeah.
Okay. And there at that apartment complex, are you from Georgia?
Yes.
Okay. And who were you living with at the time?
My boyfriend's mom.
Your boyfriend and his mom?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to show you a photograph. I've labeled this State's Exhibit number 50. Can you take a look at that? Do you recognize what's contained here in this photograph?
Yeah, the apartment complex.
Okay, the Sterling Glen apartment complex?
Yeah.
Does this appear to be an accurate aerial photograph of that apartment complex?
No, it's accurate.
It is?
Yes.
Okay, Judge, I move to admit State's Exhibit number 50.
No objection.
Okay, State's Exhibit 50 is admitted without objection.
And Judge, may I move to publish this?
Certainly. And ma'am, you've got a screen right here beside you. And I'm gonna, there's kind of a glare, so I'm gonna turn it down, and the attorneys may have questions for you about this exhibit.
All right. Alyssa, can you see that clearly?
Yes.
All right. Could you tell the jury where, if you recall, do you remember what building you were living in at the time?
I don't remember.
Number. By looking at the map, do you know which of these buildings
Yes.
you lived in? And if it's all right with the court and with you, Alyssa, so the jury can see it a little bit better. This is a bigger picture up here. Could you point out which building it is to the jury?
Be careful your step.
Okay, right here. This one right here?
Yes.
Okay. Now, before you sit down, did you, let me get out of the way so everybody can see you, not me. Did you know Kelly Pagoda?
Yes.
Okay. And did she also live there in the neighborhood with you?
Yes.
Do you know which building she lived in?
Like kind of behind.
Oh, and I don't want you to fall. Huh? Don't worry about it. Up here somewhere?
Yeah.
One of these buildings?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you're down here on this side of it. She's up here on Windscape Village Lane North. I guess they're all Windscape Village Lane Northwest.
Yeah.
All the roads are named the same thing, but she's up here on this first one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Now, tell me, how did you know Susana Morales?
I knew Susana through Kelly. They were walking through the neighborhood one time, and I just saw them, and I was like, y'all are some pretty girls. And I didn't have friends, so that's really how it started. And I said they were pretty, got their number. It started from there.
Okay. And, how long had you known Susana before she died?
I don't remember an approximate date, but it was during that summer, around June.
Okay.
June and July.
All right. So, by July 26th or so you might have known her a month or two
Yeah.
at that time?
Yes.
Okay, I got you. Now, how often would you spend time with Susana?
I would say we've been around each other at least 4 or 5 times, maybe.
All right. And where would y'all hang out at?
Just the neighborhood.
At the Sterling Glen Apartments?
Yeah, Sterling Glen.
All right. When you would hang out with Susana, would it also be with Kelly each time?
Yeah.
All right. What kind of things would y'all do?
We would just like talk, smoke. We would just really just chill and talk about stuff, you know.
I do. What, you say smoke, you're talking about cigarettes, marijuana?
Marijuana.
Marijuana, okay. And Alyssa, when y'all would hang out, where in the apartment complex would y'all normally hang out at?
Either the pool, the park, on my stairs, or in the laundry room. Because they had laundry rooms, and that's where we would smoke, so other people won't inhale it and stuff.
Okay,
So.
I understand. So on this map, and you don't have to get up. I can obviously. I look at the map. I obviously see this. This is where I'm pointing at right here. Is this the pool
Yes.
area of the neighborhood?
Yes.
Okay, so y'all would spend time there.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the laundry room, were those in each building, or is it like one common?
It's in some buildings, not all of them.
Okay. Did your building have one that you hung out in?
No.
Okay. And so, would you go to a different building? What building would you go to?
Well, it was one time we went to a building, and I believe it was the first time we actually hung out, and we were smoking in the. You want me to point where or no?
You can. That's fine if you feel comfortable doing that.
Be careful your step.
It was like right here. They had a laundry room right here.
Okay. Thank you. So while y'all are hanging out and talking, and, what are y'all talking about? What kind of things are y'all discussing?
Honestly, I can't remember.
Okay. Just odd and end stuff, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me ask you, did you ever talk about boys?
No.
Okay. Did you know whether Susana was dating anybody at the time that you knew her?
Honestly, I didn't know that because we didn't really talk about, boys and stuff.
Okay, and that's all right.